So, if you've been struggling with eye strain or blurry focus or the slow fade of your once sharp vision, you're not alone. Lots of people go through this each and every day. Millions of people are actually now turning to vision supplements paired with powerful restorative routines to support clearer, sharper eyesight at any single age. So, what's surprising many experts is how well these routines work when combined with nature based nutrients, especially when used with simple science backed methods like the vision self healing protocol, the vision restoration treatment, and the increasingly talked about Clarity Hoot Trick. For decades, doctors believed that vision decline was simply a part of getting older. But now, new discoveries such as Dr. Wang's sight healing method are showing that eyes have extraordinary regenerative potential and when given the correct nutrients and stimulation. So that's why natural rituals like the 30-second ritual or the more advanced 30-second protocol have gone viral amongst people looking for an easy at home way to support eye clarity and retinal strength. A big part of this new wave of vision care involves antioxidant rich fruits, methods such as the berry method, the frozen berry protocol, and the increasingly popular blueberry protocol. Now, these have become straples for people wanting to nourish their eyes from the inside out. And these berry based routines work especially well alongside supplements that contain lutein, zeaxanthin, vitamin A, bilberry extract, and astaxanthin, nutrients known for protecting the retina, soothing inflammation, and maintaining healthy macular function. So, some people even swear by the at home blueberry sight repair method, which pairs targeted eye exercises with the nutrients found in wild, like blueberries, to boost visual sharpness. Others follow the Simple Vision Protocol, a beginner friendly routine perfect for anyone wanting to support daily eye wellness without complicated steps. So, whether you're trying to reduce eye strain, revive nighttime clarity, or maintain long term ocular vitality, combining high quality vision supplements with these natural methods may help support your eye's ability to restore themselves. The secret isn't magic. It's simply giving your eyes the nourishment and stimulation they've been craving for. Your vision is one of your most precious senses, guys. With the right blend of nutrients and the powerful protocols now available, supporting sharper, clearer sight has never been more accessible. So make sure you give that a shot, all right? And I'll see you all next time. See ya.